Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I've got this on one bike frame. It's a project that I'm doing, and I noticed when I was stripping it down for a video the other day that the lower cup just fell out, which it shouldn't do. They're pressed in there, so it's a case of over time it's just worn. The cup was slightly worn, or at the internal diameter as well. It is not the same as it was, so you can do a few different things to correct that, but what I'm going to go with is a method using a chisel, just a sharp chisel, and I'm just going to gouge sort of 8 to 6 notches inside the head tube, and what that'll do is it'll give more purchase for the cup. So I've got this it's only a cheap sealed external headset, but I'm going to use this. I'll just show you. You see, that's gone straight in there, and so that's gone. It's pretty much just dropped in. Now I have got the frame upside down in the stand, but the top half, it doesn't do that. It's a lot better. So I'm gonna start by just tapping with a hammer and the chisel, maybe in sort of 6 to 8 places around inside the head tube, just to create a sort of a little notch there, and it should then grip the cup. There's other, like I said, there's other methods. You can use tin can to give yourself, in theory, a thicker diameter cup by wrapping that round. You can use resin, and you can even buy a tool to sort of knurling tool to go around the head tube and correct it, but they're expensive and I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to go through this method. This is just a project that I've got a few videos on, and like I say, when I was taking the cup out, the frame apart, I noticed the cup just fell out. So with our chisel, just where the cup will sit, sort of maybe 5mm down inside the head tube. I'll just show you that first one. So you can just see it there, and it's just bringing a little bit of the metal out. Okay. So just with the pointy corner of the chisel, just a little gentle tap, and what that's done, now you can see better now. See, that has just brought out some of the steel. Let's have a look how the cup sits in. See, it's gone down and it's gone to them notches there, and it's not going down anymore. So when I press, it's going to grip that cup, whereas before it was just, you know, it was just falling all the way down. So by all means, you know, do a few more, maybe at different heights, but that's gonna do the job. So that's how you can sort out that problem. It's fairly easy. It doesn't cost you nothing as long as you've got a chisel and a hammer, and it will definitely, you know, do the job. Then the other thing, if you didn't want to do this method, you can go for a headset with deeper cups. So this, for example, it's about sort of 8mm into the frame. There's an FSA, the Pig headset, which I think is around 12mm. So it'll come down a bit further and grip that part of the head tube which is not swollen. And, you know, that's if you wanted to go for that. But yeah, check out the other videos. There's part 1 and 2 of this project, and part 3 I'm just about to start it, which is why I didn't want to put this part of it in the video, as it's a bit long-winded, and of course this is going to help people out there who've got the same issue. So yeah, but stay tuned, and part 3 will be out soon on the On1 inbred project. So that's going to be it from me, guys. Thanks for watching, and until next time, goodbye.